got my parts in. I sourced these from 2 or 3 different places. The bearings are basically automotive. I found those a little cheaper through an automotive source. Oil seals, felt, and oil seals, felt, and the wear rings I got from a tractor parts place. This is inner to outer. We got the shell and the race and the bearing, or the shell and the bearing. Same thing here, shell and bearing. Those are the 2 parts. And this will give you a little clue to where some of these parts came from. Those were shipped with it. Not part of the bearing. That will just be used to fuel the person to put it together. But look for this weekend. I'm going to try to get this put together so I can get the tractor moving again. At the very least, I'm going to do the side that's broken. We'll probably have to mow grass at least once more this year, so we'll get the other one done a little bit later. But there it is. We'll be back sometime or another soon. Thanks for watching.